Now this video is all about, you just bought this and you just an accident lost one of the earphones. Normally you would have to buy a full box again. Yay! But you don't need another box and the right headphone again. Then you have two and you're paying the full price. So Mpow, you can buy just one. And what happens when you buy just one? Well, you receive this box. I know, you're a bit confused. It says in the Mpow M30. They're exactly the same. There's absolutely no differences with the Mpow 30. It's this one, the big difference is just the box is different, but the earbuds are the same. What's inside the box? When you receive this box, lovely one, well, you get a full box like you add the earphones in there, but this is it. It just brings one earphone in there. That's what you need, but still got other things. They send you a cable, extra earbuds and the tips for adapter. A guarantee, talking about membership, a full instruction, how to sync them. Even the instructions for the full box, quite impressive. Now this would be easy if it was already synced, but it doesn't work like that. So this is what I have. You grab the earbud, you put it in the box, you close the box, you wait, you open it again, bring it out. First step, press twice in each earbud. Done that. And then press 2 seconds on each one and they should pair between each other. Now the results of all this, it was not that easy. And I tried again, then I tried to reset the complete connection again. I tried to unpair from my phone. I tried to pair it again. It took me 2 tries in the first one. I did the steps and I put them back in the box. When I took them out of the box, they were paired. Go figure out. Other times it was just really hard to pair them. It's possible. It's better than buying everything new again if you lose one. If you leave it in the bus or you just took it out and, well, things get lost. It's annoying. I have no idea where I lost mine. Sometimes I don't use them in the box and I take it and put it in my pockets. And no, not the brightest idea. So I lost one and now I have to buy. Cost me only £9 this one, so it's not that bad. It's better than buying everything again for £36. It's a good deal. In the UK at the moment they don't sell the box separately. In US they do. If you're in US, you're always lucky with this electronic products. In UK we're always a bit behind. Oh no. Conclusion, it's hard to pair to it earbud to the other earbud. They do work fine. I like the Mpow 30 Plus. Mpow got good products, but not all products are that great. Yeah. And now the review of Mpow, only one. Hey, the video ended. Whoa, that's a small box to be. Subscribe and do something like that. Enjoy it. We'll appear another video in a few seconds. Whoa. No box for me. See you guys.